so you've now seen the wall put in place. And if you remember several segments ago, I showed you the edge seal. And I showed you how you tuck the extra into itself. That extra is still waiting in here. It's hiding down inside this channel here. It doesn't apply in this location, especially because we have crown molding, but there are cases we actually discovered through using the product where an extra little bit up in this zone up here actually was really helpful. So we decided we can use this extra material in our edge seal, and in fact made the edge seal 6 inches longer than it actually needs to be. So in a 10-foot application, you would still have some extra to play with. And what you would do, and this is gonna be an extreme, but it's just an example, is you would reach in here and you pull out whatever extra you need, and then you shove it into the gap that might be there because of some irregularity in the building. Your goal here is to make sure that that gap is full. Again, I really exaggerated it. You wouldn't need to do that nearly as much, but I wanted you to see. And this is what I mean. This is that extra, okay? So, little tip and trick, another way to use your system. Let's get to curving the wall.